I hope everybody is having an amazing day so far, but if you aren't, then you're in the right place at the right time. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make $10 just by playing games. If you're interested in knowing how to do this, then I suggest that you tune in until the very end of this video because I'm going to take you through the exact method on how to earn $10 again and again, how you can cash out your earnings through PayPal. Also, this is available for both Android and iOS, so that is pretty cool, right? I'm going to be showing you income proof and reviews as well to reassure you that this is the real deal. That's why you should keep on watching so that you can start making your own unlimited $10 immediately. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. We recently discovered this company that has created an application that's called Play and Win. This is what you're seeing on my screen right now. This app is completely free and it can be downloaded on Google Play or App Store. So if you're an Android user or an iOS user, then you are 100% eligible to download and use this application. The first thing that we're going to show you is the application itself. And then we are going to show you how it works. And right after that, we will be talking about the winners option, and which is basically going to be the proof that we want to show you to prove that there are actually people earning from this application and all just by playing. Then afterwards, I might share with you a bonus app, so you better stay until the end of this video. So right now, we're going to the app so you can see how it would look when you look it up on Google Play or the App Store. So first, you must type in Play and Win, and then immediately you will see this app right here, and that is what you're gonna wanna click. Now that you've clicked on the application, we can show you this player's balance this month, and as you can see here, she has made about $31,604 already just by playing games. Of course, this is already accumulated, but the fact that you can earn as much as $30,000 just by playing games, and I cannot emphasize that enough, that is just mind-blowing. So basically, the mechanics of this application is that you will be answering 50 questions, and what you can see on our screen right now is an example of what type of questions they would ask you on the application. It's like a trivia type game, which is very engaging and also good for the mind. So not only is it a great way to earn unlimited $10, but it can also be very helpful in refreshing your mind and helping you learn things that you've never learned before. So by answering the questions to this 50-item quiz, you will get paid. Of course, based on the number of correct answers that you get. The questions given and so are some options, which makes the job much easier because at least you won't be completely clueless on all the possibilities. The idea of this app is very simple and it's brilliant. You're given a 50-item quiz and you take the 50-item quiz and then you get your rewards, and that's the money. Then you'll see the rankings too, which you can find on the app, so you'll see who's in the top 3. You'll also see how it would look like to be a winner on this app. You'll see the challenges and your opponents in these challenges, your achievements, and of course, the winners. Meaning those people who participated and actually learned from this application, which brings us to the next part of today's video. The winners are the literal living proof of all the $10 ever won on this website. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. Now we're here on this webpage where you can see the winner option at the bottom part, We're just gonna click that to see all of the people who have made money off of this application. As you can see, there are a ton of videos of a ton of different people already, and all of these videos are of those who have already been paid and are already making money through this game. As we keep scrolling, the list just keeps getting longer and longer and longer, and this should assure you that if you do try this app, it will be your video on this page next. So let's try and play one video.
Alright. When app is real, I'll see you in the cash app. Bye.
So people who have tried earning through this and who have actually earned through this are maybe made to make a short video on them actually saying that they've already earned $10 and all of these other things, which is pretty cool and makes a lot of sense. Now, to show you more proof that this website is reliable and that people are actually enjoying the games and enjoying the money-making process, we're going to go to this website right here on our screen that has many reviews on many different things. Now, this website has reviews on our app for today, and so far, all of the reviews are pretty good. It's rated a 4.5, which, by the way, is a really good rating. It goes to show that this website functions well and can really be of help to a lot of people. Some say it's fun and it's different, some say it's a really good app, some say it's a fantastic app. They say that customer service is really nice and everyone else that they meet through the app are very nice as well. These are just a few of the good reviews written on there. But you can always do your own research if you want to, but if you'd ask us, we definitely think this could be the start of something new for you, a new opportunity, a new open door. Remember that bonus app that we mentioned at the very beginning of this video? This is it. We're gonna tell you all about it right now. This app that we're going to show you next is much more difficult to get through compared to the first one that we showed you, but it pays way more than $10, so that is why you need to listen very closely and finish the whole video so you can try this next app as well and successfully make money off of this website. This other app that we've discovered is called HQ Trivia. And as you can see, the app immediately lets you know that they give up at least $10,000 as a prize. Now that is really something, and that is definitely no joke of a prize. People might doubt this a lot because of how difficult it is to actually win, but the possibilities are endless. Take this student for example, who, as you can see on our screen, has won about 1,333 euros or $1,700 on HQ Trivia. It says in this article that this girl has let us all in on all her secrets on how exactly she went about this and how she successfully did this. Now, we will leave a link to this article down below because we know that you would want to go back to this article and read it and try whatever she has to offer. Just like Play and Win, HQ is a quiz game. It is also completely free and it also gives real cash prizes to winners of the game. It is also available on both Android and iOS, just like Play and Win. So the mechanics of this application is that you're going to have to get 12 multiple choice questions correctly in a row. The questions start very simple and easy questions, and then they suddenly just get really, really difficult. It's definitely not anywhere near simple, but that's exactly why the prizes are grand, because you actually need to work for it, and that's what this girl did to be able to win the money that she won. So she definitely deserved it. She also shared a lot of personal moments within the app, and like we said, we would leave a link down below for you to click on and go on yourselves so you can read the whole article too. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know that you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. That was basically it. Pay and Win and HQ Trivia, the works, the content, the ways, the methods, and the stories on each one. By the way, the cashing out of your earnings here are pretty simple. Since you'd be logged in this app with a personal account, then you will be asked on some details on how you would like to receive your earnings, and from there, you will be taught on how to get the money that you are making. So do not worry about that, since the website will be up to that task for you. Thanks for watching, y'all! I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.